Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be continuing on with our iOS development with UIKit series by talking about how we can customize our UI text field to be a secure text field for things like passwords. So this is going to be a little bit of a short one because we just need to modify a single property on our text field. And that is the secure entry, I believe. Is secure text entry or is secure entry property. This is a Boolean, of course, as the name suggests, as it starts with is. So if it's true, then this will be like a secure field where the text is obfuscated and all that stuff. And then if it's false, it's just a normal text field. So we can set this by saying value, I'm not in Xcode, value field dot is secure text entry. Yes. All right, equals true. Go ahead and save that. Now we can run our code again. Our build was succeeded, or rather was successful. Let's say this is some secure text in a password field. All right. Let's hit done. And then you can see we can still get the text from our field like we would at any other point, just because the text in the text field is obfuscated because we've said this is a secure text entry. Doesn't mean that we can't get the text and then display it. Generally, you're not going to do this, right? But I wanted to demonstrate to you that the functionality still does work. Usually, you're going to be sending secure text like this, or rather, I shouldn't call it secure text because it's not secure. You're going to be sending text from a password field, typically over a network request to authenticate a user for login. That kind of thing. So it is important to know exactly how to do this. Now, of course, the authentication, authorization stuff, dealing with all the network requests, that's a whole nother can of worms that we're not going to get into. Because I just wanted to demonstrate to you in this video how you can create a secure text field, or rather a quote-unquote secure text field in UIKit. So thank you all so very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.